The healthiest breakfast: clean your body from toxins and lose 11 pounds in a month. A lot of nutritionists recommend this amazing breakfast for weight loss. It is a very tasty and healthy breakfast, so if you are looking for the ideal breakfast, you should stop your research. This breakfast is packed with vitamins and minerals that have the ability to enhance the look of your hair and skin, stabilize the metabolism and strengthen all body systems. This recipe will help you to get rid of all the toxins and impurities from the system and completely clean your bowels. The way this breakfast works is that it eliminates the issues related to lazy bowels and constipation, stabilizes weight, and support burning of fat and calories. If you drink this beverage for 30 days, you can expect to lose between 3 and 11 pounds. Your skin, nails and hair will become more attractive and rejuvenated, and you will witness the reduction of the size of your belly. Recipe: ingredients: 2 tablespoons of oatmeal, 1 250 Cuban pesos milliliter of organic kefir, you can use low-fat yogurt, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of milled flaxseed, between 5 and 7 fleshy plums. Instructions: prepare this breakfast in the evening and eat it in the morning. Put the plums into a bowl and pour about 100 ml of boiling water over them. Cover the bowl and leave the plums for about 10 minutes. Take another bowl and place the oatmeal, cocoa and flax seeds in it. After that, pour the kefir and mix the ingredients. Carefully chop the soaked plums in small pieces and add them to the mixture. It is a good idea to use a blender for this task, because in this way you will get a puree. Mix all the ingredients and store them in the refrigerator. In the morning, take the bowl and eat the tasty and healthy breakfast. You can expect the first positive results after only 1 week. It is not unusual to experience an odd feeling in the intestines after the first day, but once you eat this breakfast for the second time, the feeling should be gone.
Drink this every night before bed and remove every food residue and also melt fat for 8 hours. This amazing and super healthy drink will remove everything you've eaten during the day. You'll be amazed when we tell you that this powerful drink will boost your metabolism, cleanse your body from all harmful toxins, and it will help you lose weight as well, especially the fat around your belly area. The stubborn fat around your abdominal area is related with several health conditions, such as diabetes, high blood pressure and cardiovascular diseases. Few studies have confirmed the link between belly fat and diabetes type 2. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to get rid of that stubborn belly fat, you need to start exercising and eat healthy food. Here is the recipe for the incredible homemade natural drink, which contains 3 extremely effective fat-burning ingredients: lemon, ginger, and parsley. Ingredients: 1 lemon, handful of parsley, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 cinnamon stick or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, half a liter of water. Directions: it's very simple. Put all the ingredients mentioned above into a blender and blend well. You should drink this juice every night before you go to sleep and wake up every morning with less weight.